This short video is going to be about something called the IPO approach to programming. It simply stands for input, processing, and output. And it's a way to solve programming problems. So if you look right now, we see the Twitter webpage, and in the background, it's giving me output. It's changing a photo. So it's affecting what I'm seeing or what I'm experiencing. So that's the output side. The input side is basically anything that you as a user give to the computer. So right up here where the Twitter address is, if I wanted to go to Google, if I just started typing the Google address there, that's input from me as a user through the keyboard to the computer. That input is being displayed as output in that little address bar, and when I hit enter, I'm sending that input over the internet to the Google web server. It is then responding with this home page. So it's doing some processing that in the middle step. I'm sending the address to Google. Google's seeing a request for their home page. It processes that request and spits out this home page. Now, something that's a little more complicated as processing is if I go down here into their search box, and let's say I want to search for some JavaScript tutorials. So as I start typing, immediately the Google web page responds to that input, does some processing, and changes the output. You can see that the screen has adjusted so that now the search bar moves up to the top, and as I start typing, it is showing me different matching search responses. So you can see it's showing me JavaScript array, JavaScript substring, and as I start typing, it finds a good match and continues to update the page by changing the output. So the input I give to the website, it's taking it, processing it to generate the matches that Google wants to show, and then sends me that output that comes up on my screen. So basically, IPO is the backbone of any kind of interesting program. There's input from a user, processing of that input, and then display of output.